November full moon is tonight. It's also called the Beaver Moon, and it's a time of reflection, release, and preparation for the season ahead. And we're going to do a healing meditation near the end, so stick around. So November's full moon rises in the east at dusk, shines at night all night long, and sets in the west at dawn. So it's glowing slightly bigger and brighter than usual. Supermoon tonight. Last one of the year. And it's called the Beaver Moon because traditionally beavers complete their lodges and store food before winter, a symbol of preparation, patience, and transition. Spiritually, this energy reminds us to finish what's incomplete, secure what sustains us, and gently let go of what we no longer need. And as we move into the colder months, this moon invites us to reflect on our year's journey, to acknowledge our effort, express gratitude, and release emotional weight, grief, or other stories that keep us tied to the past. And this full moon is also known as the mourning moon, symbolizing the release of sadness before the stillness of winter. It's a sacred time to honor what has ended and to prepare your spirit for renewal. In this energy healing meditation that we're going to do, we're going to connect with the moon's energy. We're going to clear some stagnant energy, kind of do what needs to be done with the energy of the moon. I never really know what's going to happen because until I tap into it, it could just be a light healing or a really deep healing. So what we're going to do is I just want you to close your eyes and just take a deep breath in and exhale. And just let go of the day. Let go of the stress, the worry, anything that's been bothering you. And then I just want you to imagine yourself sitting in a field. This is any kind of field that you feel you are drawn to. It could have wildflowers, it can have grass, rocks, whatever it is that you need it to be. And just make sure that you feel safe in your space, in this field. And I want you just to sit down in your field. So find a patch of grass and sit down, get comfy. And as you sit there, you are naturally being grounded to the earth as your root chakra is touching the ground. So anytime we sit on the ground and we connect and we're grounded, we can start to release some energy. And that's what we're going to do. But this time we're going to do it with the moon's energy, the assistance of the moon. So we're going to just tap into the moon's energy. And we're just going to bring and invite the moon's energy to come down into our aura. And we have 7 layers of the aura surrounding our physical, energetic body. And we're just going to allow this energy of the moon to come down through each of the layers, kind of washing out, removing, taking up some energy that's ready to be released in your aura. And it's just going to be washed away and down your grounding cord, which is at the base of your spine. And you don't need to know what this energy is. You might feel it leaving. Some things might come up. If they do, just acknowledge them and let them go. It just means they're ready to be released. And just allow that moon energy to come down, washing away, clearing out the outdated, not serving you or your higher self energy, and just clearing it out layer by layer, giving you this freedom, this new healing, shall we say, new energy. So we're preparing our energy for winter. So by clearing this out, we're making our space better and ready for the winter. So just allow it to come down through all those 7 layers, getting closer and closer to the physical body. And as it does, it's going to go into the physical body. But let's direct it to our crown chakra, the top of our head. And then just allow that moon energy to kind of wash down over us, filling our chakra and our physical body with this moon energy, allowing us to have everything open in our chakras, the connection to the divine through our crown chakra, clearing out the old, the outdated, that doesn't need to be there. That's how strong the moon energy is. It can pick it up and remove it. But here we're just letting it to flush it out, pick it and drop it out. And then we can move that energy down into our third eye, in our eyebrows, clearing out any stagnant energy from us connecting with our intuition. Allowing that moon energy to clear out those doubts and worries about our intuition as a natural state. And then bring that moon energy down into your throat chakra, allowing it to cleanse it, removing anything that's stopping you from speaking truth, allowing it to just be light, gentle, as it moves the energy through there. Cleansing the back and the front of the chakras. And then allow that moon energy to move down into your heart chakra, clearing out any of that sadness, grief, loss. Just kind of allowing that energy to get removed. We don't want to hold that energy on. It could be outdated energy. We want to get rid of it. So just allow that moon energy to bring it out and remove it, releasing it, flushing it, however you want it to be. Just cleansing it, moving it out. And then bring that moon energy down to your solar plexus and just above your navel. And just allow this to come in here and really help you to feel who you are and who you want to be. So anything that's in your way, that could be fear and beliefs, just allow this energy to come in there and shake it up and move it out. Releasing anything that's in your way of you using your physical energy power. And then we can bring that moon energy down into our sacral chakra, just below the navel. And allow it to kind of clean out anything that's in the way of us being creative, getting to our passions and our desires. And just letting this energy kind of clean it out of any doubts or concerns that may be in this chakra. Allowing it to release and just go away. And then let's bring that moon energy down into our root chakra at the base of our spine. You can bring it into your leg channels and your feet chakras, just helping everything below to be cleansed and removed. Anything that might be stopping you from taking steps forward in life, moving forward, being flexible, feeling safe and secure. So we need to be grounded. This is going to help to clear out anything that's in your way of being grounded, being completely grounded. And just allow this energy to kind of release more of that stagnant energy that's been around for a while. as the root chakra is the first chakra open when we are born, and it should be one that's continually open at all costs. Now, if we've had some traumas, big T's and little t's, that can help close down this chakra, right? If you weren't nurtured or cared for, weren't allowed to speak when you were younger, you weren't seen or heard, you just weren't overall cared for, this chakra can shut down. So it's so important that we work on this chakra all the time. So this one's a good time to let the moon energy just take away a lot of those burdens, a lot of the old, heavy energy from the past. Let it take it away, removing it from you, energy space. We want you to feel lighter and calmer and safe and secure in your energy and who you are. Okay, so anytime we do a cleansing or a release of energy, we have to fill up those spaces that we just cleared. And the reason we do that is we want to put the energy in that we want in our energy space and not other energies from others or anything that we just don't want in our energy field. So we're going to call in a new energy from the moon. And this is going to be a purple energy from the moon. Kind of a light, sparkly energy that we're going to call in. And we're just going to call it into our aura to help go through each layer, filling us up with the energy that we want. So this purpley, sparkly energy can be more love, compassion, understanding, purpose, contentment. Whatever this energy is that you need, that's the energy that you can put into your aura right now. Maybe it's balance. Maybe it's love and harmony. Whatever the energy is that you need, just allow it to come in and fill up your aura with these energies that you need for yourself right now. And that's going to be unique for everybody. So whatever you can think of that you need energy-wise, and they're just words, maybe it's joy, happiness, peace. Those energies can come into your aura, filling up your aura. And then they can also go into your physical body, giving you that feeling of love, peace, and compassion, also in your energy field, in your energy or your physical body. So it's kind of you just sitting in this beautiful purpley gold, sparkly energy bubble, shall we say, of love, passion, and joy, happiness, freedom, whatever it is. Just fill yourself up with all of this energy, because this is what you need or want right now. And the moon is helping you to get that. That's the power of the moon energy, giving you the energy that you need right now. As you transition from the fall, colder months, getting us into the winter months next month. So it's a nice transition time to work on your energy. And if you want, you can sit in this energy for as long as you need. It's going to be here, whether it's live or in the replay. And you can just pause the video and sit with the energy. Because sometimes some of us need it a little bit more than others. So it's here for you. Just sit as long as you need, whatever feels right. Use your intuition. Maybe you feel like you need to do it again before the end of the night, or the full moon. Tomorrow goes away. Whatever's right for you is right for you. So Listen to yourself. But just sit in this energy. Feel and notice how you feel. Because it's easier to feel it in the body, to notice it in the body. And then you know it's kind of working. And then the mind will catch up later. But right now, it's about feeling it in your body. What does this energy feel and mean to you? So that's the most important thing that you need to do. So if you want, just stay in this energy for as long as you like. And I hope you enjoyed this. And this is the way we should be working with the energy of the moon. We shouldn't be fighting it. We should be working alongside of it so that it makes our energy and our life a lot easier by working with the moon. So we'll see you next month for the December full moon.